I'm very happy to finally do the install Apache Airflow. So Docker is our way to go for that, and we will use the Docker to install a container on our PC. And yeah, for that is your prerequisite is a Docker desktop looking like this. And you have to add it to your PC, and you can run it also on even everything you might imagine. So, what is Apache Airflow? It's some kind of a data pipelining tool, Apache Airflow, data orchestration platform, schedule and monitor workflows, open source workflow management written in Python, okay? But I mean, it's a good. Oh yeah, it started in Airbnb, so it's kind of a, for the big data as well. It using by a big firm, so you might be interested in it. So as to get started, let's open the Docker desktop and go for the Docker hoop, and search for the Apache Airflow. And there it is, Apache Airflow. Is this the right one here? You never know. No, this is not the right one. Apache Airflow. This is 1 billion. So yes, this is the one we would like to pull. So you can also directly run it, but yeah, I will show what happened when you run. So you basically need more kind of the kind of a setup for this. But that's why you wouldn't probably want to directly run it. So what happened when you run it gets I think it gets the image and it's just the downloading here image, so it takes a while because it's big. So what we see here is image has been cut, size is big, and it's quite current. First we have to do some tagging as well. So yeah, we need to create our own container because we cannot edit the official container. So one thing is like we tag the current container with our own container. So this is what happened now, and let's just delete this one for now. So we have now new image here. We have now new image which is the same, and so we want to do now in the you we want to do now the specific configuration. So let's say we want to open with Visual Code, and we want to use the airflow. So what I'm doing right here in this file is this is the YAML file for config, and I want to say, okay, open this container and please please open on this port and please do this like volume, which is a place where you could store the outcome of the file. So this would be in the DAX folder, which uh, which doesn't exist yet, but there it is. So and then even environment is quite a small thing, and then but standalone is important to do. So what we can do is now Docker compose up, I think, but we have to go first to the correct place, which is this one. So airflow, and then we need to Docker compose up. All right, now it's doing here based on my YAML file, on the compose file. Based on that, it's creating the container. So I logged in to localhost, and we need to add the username and password. So how to find out username and password? I think it's in the Docker logs. But yeah, we need to, I mean, you see here there's something going on all the time. So let's say Docker PS, so to see container, And we see container for the airflow is this one, so we copy this ID and then Docker logs for this ID. But I think these are the logs which are currently writing all the time, so not too sure about the password. Ah, yeah, there it is. Uh, Password for admin. So Andrew Brown, yes. So we could add like this, and now we have it set up. So you have it set up, you have it connected as well using, and this is what I want to show again. Using this volume, you have it connected to here. So if you add a DAG, which we can do for just trying out, right? Just trying out. For example, click on this here, simple run, and it should basically the data should be, if there's something to store, we should have it on this folder here. But it seems like in this case there's nothing. But I mean, you see here the run has succeeded, but there's no data, it seems. So next videos I will show around in the airflow how to use and how to what is a DAG and so on and so forth, and how we could maybe make this work. So thank you for your time. It's been a pleasure for me to install this, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.